If you walk into a district court in Pakistan today, Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, you will find lawyers drafting petitions faster than ever before. They are using AI. Most of them started in the last 12 months, and on the surface, it looks like progress. But here is something that nobody is talking about in Pakistan's legal community. Right now, across the world, in New York, California, London, lawyers are being fined, suspended, and publicly embarrassed in court. Not because they used AI, but because nobody told them how to use it safely. I am going to share with you today are 4 things that every advocate in Pakistan needs to know before they use AI in their next filing. We are going to go through 4 points. Each one is practical, each one is based on real cases that have already happened. And by the end of this, you will have a clear picture of how to use AI as a powerful tool without walking into a trap that other lawyers around the world have already fallen into. Let's begin. The most dangerous thing AI does is lie, and it does it with complete confidence. Here is what happens. You ask an AI tool to find a Supreme Court of Pakistan judgment on a specific legal point. It gives you a case name, a citation, a year. A summary of the judgment. It sounds entirely real. It is often entirely invented. There is a researcher in Paris at HEC Paris Business School who tracks every court case in the world where AI produced a fake legal citation. His database contains over 700 cases. 700. In one case in the United States, a lawyer submitted a legal brief to the court. 19 cases were cited. 12 of them did not exist. The judge described the brief as full of errors consistent with AI-generated ghost citations. The lawyer was fined, the client suffered, and the lawyer's reputation was damaged in a single filing. For Pakistani advocates, the rule is simple. Every citation AI gives you, every single one, must be verified through PLD, through the official Supreme Court website, or through the court's own records. No exceptions. Not because you do not trust technology, but because technology has proven again and again that it cannot be trusted on this specific thing. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you pasted a client's name or case facts or a document into ChatGPT? If you have done that even once, here is what you need to know. When you paste client information into the free version of ChatGPT, that information may be stored by OpenAI. It may be read by their staff. It may be used to train the model further. This is not a theory. This is in their terms of service. The CEO of OpenAI himself, Sam Altman, said publicly that ChatGPT conversations are not legally protected. A United States court ordered OpenAI to keep all records as evidence. Attorney-client privilege, the most important protection between a lawyer and their client, can be broken the moment you paste their details into a public AI tool. The fix is genuinely simple. Before you paste anything into an AI tool, remove the identifying details. Call your client person A. Call the company the organization. You get the same output from the AI, and your client stays protected. One small habit, enormous protection. Here is something that most people do not realize about AI. Every AI tool, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, was trained on information up to a certain date. And even within what they do know, Pakistani legal sources are barely represented. Compared to American and British legal databases, Pakistani law is almost invisible. This means that when you ask AI about a recent amendment to the Code of Civil Procedure or a new Supreme Court judgment from last year, the AI will either give you old information or it will make something up. Think of AI like a very well-spoken research assistant who studied abroad, reads widely, and speaks beautifully. But he has never once opened a PLD. He does not know what happened in the Supreme Court last month. Use AI for structure and drafting, but use proper Pakistani legal databases for actual case law. This is the most important point of everything I am going to say today, and I want you to hear it clearly. When you sign a petition or a brief, your signature is your professional promise. It means you reviewed it. It means the citations are real. It means the law is correct. Courts does not accept the AI wrote it as a defense. No bar body in the world does. A United States court put it in writing. A lawyer is responsible for every matter asserted as true. In one American case, a lawyer was suspended from practice for 90 days after submitting AI-generated ghost citations. The damage to your career and your reputation is real. The legal system in Pakistan works on exactly the same principle. Professional liability stays with you, the lawyer, 100%. AI is not going away. It should not go away. The lawyers who understand these 4 rules, who check citations and protect client info, will have a genuine advantage in practice. The ones who use it without understanding it will eventually find themselves standing before a judge, explaining why they cited a judgment that does not exist. The tools are powerful, the risks are real, and now you know the rules. And if you have questions about AI in legal practice, we are here. Thank you for watching.